Hello. Here we have a method to check the content whether it is containing the AI text or not. So what we will do, we will make a copy chapter wise. First, we will make the copy of first chapter, copy, and paste it in this website, which is in the link I have sent to you. Paste it here. After this, we will click this button, check for AI content. It is predicting. Okay, it is saying it is 96% human-like content. However, there is some content which is highlighted. You need to change this content. You should rewrite it in your own worded. It should be human worded, not to be software worded. Like you should not use any paraphrases software like quote or any other thing. You should rewrite it by yourself. Similarly, this content you should do it by yourself. This is and the yellow content. This is unclear. You may change it or not. It depends upon you. But this content should be changed. Similarly, if there is some red content, then that must be changed. Red content is not highlighted here. If there would be any red content, then that must be changed. Okay, thank you. You can check it by chapter wise because there is some limitation in the words. So you should check it on the basis of chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like this, and then you can make the changes. Thank you.